With more than 30 years of experience, DT Engineering is a company that focuses on project design, construction and operation of water and waste treatment plants, and the treatment of rivers and public bathing areas, popularly known as piscinões, through the use of patented technologies. The company also provides services in dredging, drainage, irrigation, special equipment design, and contract management. With headquarters in Barueri, São Paulo, and a number of projects executed all over Brazil, DT Engineering has been on the front line of innovation since the 90s in the environmental sanitation sector through the implementation of flat flux technology in water, sewage, and urban waterway treatment. Take a look around your city. Polluted rivers, dead fish, compromised fishing and leisure activities. It hasn't always been like that. The majority of cities are developed near rivers, lakes, and seas. While the population remains small, any waste thrown into nearby bodies of water is quickly absorbed and treated naturally in a process called self-purification. River pollution begins when cities start to grow faster than investments made in sewage and environmental sanitation systems. Septic tanks and drainage systems that provide outflow of the waste end up polluting their waterways. Even cities that possess a partial sewage system overburden their rivers due to the existence of clandestine sewer taps. Flat flux technology serves as a protective system for rivers and springs by treating the beds of rivers in flow and at various levels. It acts by intercepting and treating water that is contaminated with sewage flowing from clandestine taps, diffuse sources, and problems with leakage in the systems. The treatment process begins in a sand filter upstream of the river treatment unit, with the retention of sediments and the resulting interruption of silting up downstream of the treatment. Following that, a floating waste fence with an aeration device allows submersed debris to float by using a special aeration system. Any floated debris is then later removed mechanically. During the third stage of treatment, the debris is directed towards a coagulation basin, where a retractable aeration system placed under footbridges and a multi-section coagulant injection system causes floating solid debris such as, for example, organic material and odor-producing soluble substances to coagulate. Next, the debris passes through a flocculation basin, comprised of a retractable aeration system placed under footbridges and a polymer injection system, which cause the agglutination of the coagulations resulting from the previous stage to form flakes. The penultimate stage of the process consists of the flotation basin, where a micro-aeration system causes the debris to float, forming a homogeneous mass on the surface of the water. Removal of the floating sludge is the final step of the treatment process. Dredging wheels, which are compatible with the characteristics and volume of the sludge produced, collect the debris on a continuous basis and send it on for treatment and to its final destination. And it's not just in rivers that the flat flux system has shown great results. In the state of São Paulo alone, 2 waste treatment plants, 3 water treatment plants, and 4 river treatment plants have been installed. There are more than 50 installations located all over the country, in addition to bathing areas and waste treatment plants that have prevented our waterways from being destroyed. With proven efficiency and broad applicability, the Flot Flux system is a high-tech flotation water treatment process that is 100% Brazilian. It is never before seen on a global scale and already in wide use in the treatment of rivers. Treating water is preserving life. The DT Engineering Group, 30 years developing technology to help the environment.